take 2 long multicolored balls and tie the box with them like a ribbon. And now on the other side, it looks unusual and catches the eye. In a similar way, you can decorate the legs of wine glasses for the holiday. Just tie them with balls. Besides, it will help to hold them tighter in your hands. If you suddenly lost the bottle cap, then a balloon will come to your aid. Inflate it and then place it on the neck of the bottle. Release the valve and the ball will wrap itself around the neck. Such a lid is absolutely airtight. The life hack is also suitable for glass jars with a large neck. And to remove the lid, just blow into the balloon and you're done. Fill a few balloons with water and then freeze them. They should become solid. Now, we'll take any suitcase and put drinks in it, covering them with our ice balls. That's it. Your homemade portable refrigerator is ready. Cut off the valve at the balloon and put it over a toilet paper sleeve. Put the projectile inside and pull back and bam! Let's take 2 balls of lots of chocolate. Melt the chocolate in a water bath to liquid state. Now we dip the balloon in chocolate for about half and put it on a saucer. Repeat this with the second balloon and then with the third. Now they will need to be frozen. After that, we just pop the balls and remove them for our chocolate cups. And in their place, we will put other balls, ice cream balls. Add a little sprinkling, and our usual dessert is ready. A chocolate bowl is no worse than an ordinary one. Besides, you can always eat it with ice cream. Let's take a pastry syringe, replace its tip with the balloon. Let's inflate it. And now we'll begin to gradually pour liquid chocolate inside. Helping ourselves with the plunger from the syringe. When all the chocolate is already inside, now we need to saw off 2 bottles necks along with the stoppers. After that, we will sand them to smoothness and fasten them with the glue gun. Here, we have such a small container that we have made it. It can store, for example, memory cards. The main plus is that the container is absolutely waterproof. Just take it out of the water and remove the moisture. We take out the cards, and as you can see, not a single drop got inside. Let's take some steel washers and insert a screw into them. Screw the screws into the board, leaving a little space. Now, insert a blade of stationary knife between the washers and tighten the screws until they stop. By installing half of a plastic bottle on the structure, we can turn it into a very long plastic tape in a matter of seconds without much effort. This tape will easily withstand a lot of weight. We cut the neck of the bottle together with the cork. Now, take a bag of cereals, remove the lid, and pull the bag onto the neck. Straighten the edges and tighten the cork. Now it will be much more easier to pour cereal out of the bag. And the lid ensures the safety of the cereals inside the package. Now we will need 2 plastic plugs. On both sides, we make labels according to the size of the phone. And now, using these labels, we cut out the excess. We fasten the lids together with the glue gun. Now, let's take a full bottle and close it with the whole lid. And we install a phone on top. Here's such an improvised tripod we have turned out, and very convenient. And if you cut out the top of the bottle, you can also use it as a phone stand when watching our videos. We will melt a small hole in the center of the cork and screw it halfway through. Now, we will screw this design into the phone holder, and our reliable tripod is ready. It is also suitable for the camera. If you need to separate the yolk from the protein, then break the egg into a bowl, and then attach a compressed bottle to the yolk. Release it, and the yolk will suck inside. And then push it into another container. Easy. To illuminate a large space with a small flashlight, install it on the neck of a water bottle or lean against the wall of a plastic canister. See how beautifully the water simmers? In order not to be distracted by a rolling ball during knitting, we will take a plastic bottle and cut it in half. Let's put a ball on one half and the counterweight on the other. Combine them. Now the tangle's not going anywhere. Cut the bottle in half and combine the halves in this way. We'll pour ice inside, so it will melt much slower, and it's much more convenient to pour it into a drink this way. Using an ice pick, we make a hole in the bottom of the bottle. We push a balloon into the bottle and pull it over the neck. Then, pour water into it. We'll put flowers to the neck and it's done. Here's such an unusual vase. Empty bottles will take up too much space in the trash. Just blow them off and twist them before you throw them away. So, there will still be a lot of free space in your trash can.